Unlocking success in TOEFL and IELTS. Boost your reading and writing skills. Hello, learners. Welcome to our series on mastering the TOEFL and IELTS. Today, we are diving into the heart of improving your reading and writing skills. This is an important part of your test preparation and could be the difference between achieving your target scores or not. So, let's get started. Before we start practicing, let's discuss why reading and writing skills are so essential for TOEFL and IELTS. Both tests assess your ability to understand and express ideas in English. Reading comprehension allows you to decipher passages and respond to questions accurately, while writing skills enable you to articulate your thoughts clearly and coherently. The best way to start improving your reading and writing skills is to make them a part of your daily routine. Read English newspapers, books, and articles every day, paying close attention to sentence structure, vocabulary, and punctuation. Try writing a daily journal or summaries of what you read to practice writing skills. This daily practice helps in enhancing your language proficiency gradually. Now, let's dive into some advanced reading techniques. Remember, your focus should be on comprehension, not just reading. To start with, practice active reading. That means, always ask questions to the text you're reading. What is the author's purpose? What are the main points? This interaction improves your understanding significantly. Next, learn to skim and scan texts. Skimming helps you to get the gist of the text quickly, while scanning helps you find specific information rapidly. In writing, clarity and structure are key. You should organize your thoughts before you start writing. Use a clear introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion in your essays. Make sure each paragraph has a main idea and supporting details. Also, focus on grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Don't forget to proofread your work before finalizing it. Now we're moving to the core of today's lesson: practice activities. For reading, consider using past TOEFL and IELTS reading sections. Practice under timed conditions and later analyze your answers. For writing, respond to past essay prompts. It is even more beneficial if you can get feedback on your work. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will be. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to mastering the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Keep in mind, improving your reading and writing skills is a marathon, not a sprint. So, practice daily, stay patient, and keep refining your skills. Good luck, and happy learning!